Greetings to all. Myself D. Priyadashni. Now I am currently pursuing BCom at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Now I am going to present a BMC model of Katabook and its operation. Katabook helps to manage your business and personal ledgers on your mobile phones and computers. It used to replace your traditional ledgers to digital Katabook. Shop owners and trading partners can use the app for recording debit and credit transactions of their trusted customers. Business model Canva of Katabook. Their key partners are technology vendors, investment partners, regulatory agencies. Key activities are business operation, trading operation. Key resources physical and IT infrastructure, trading partners. Value proportion 100% free and secure for all business, allowing shopkeepers to capture debit and credit from the customers. Customer relationships, personal assistant, account maintenance, channels, internet, mobile devices, laptops, PC. Customer segment, the least digitalized merchants and traders. Revenue streams are not available now. Cost structure, channel cost, account maintenance. Katabook was founded in Jan 2019. Katabook is a world fastest growing SaaS company. It has become India's leading business management app for MSMEs with 50 million plus downloads in the remarkable short period of time. It is founded by 4 IIT Bombay grades. Katabook is led by Ravish Naresh, co-founder and co at housing.com, one of the India's most significant property listing website. Katabook enables micro, small and medium merchants to track business transactions safely and securely. It also offers features such as online payment collection through UPI and QR, sending periodic reminders to creditors via messages and reports generation. They recently closed a $60 million Series B round after a $25 million Series A round in 2019 and are backed by the top investors in the business. Key investors are CQA, partners of DST Global, GGV Capital, Tencent, Falcon, H Capital, Y Combinator, RTB Capital, GGV Capital, MS Dhoni, Gunal Bal and other more. Business model. Katabook whole business model revolves on a mobile app that helps small merchants digitalize their accounting and balance tracking. Katabook helps reduce the burden of keeping an accounting paper account books. It's like having a kata in your pocket. Katabook business model is to simplify tracking credits and debits in the business, and their motto is to make India come online. It is 100% free and secure for all business, allowing shopkeepers to capture credit and debit from customers. But as of now, Katabook has no revenue stream at present. Ravish Naresh, CEO of Katabook, said they are now developing the app to provide a complete financial solution for small businesses. The startup plans to bring several new features to platform and UPI payment in next on the agenda. Investors. 29 investors fund Katabook. Kunal Shah, CEO of CRED, Centin Holdings and Better Capital are among them. Future goals. The company plans to expand its service portfolio and achieve 2 to 3 times business growth by providing more relevant solution and value to users. Katabook remains committed to the Indian MSME segment and will add services to streamline and simplify business process for merchants. Being committed to a goal is essential for business direction and decision. One thing the pandemic has taught us is that we are need to think through the most unlikely scenario and ensure that we are relevant in all possible scenarios and are enough to change our direction depending on the need of our hour, says Ravish, CEO of Katabook in an interview. Brand Ambassador. Former India captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni became the brand ambassador of Katabook after investing an undisclosed amount in Katabook. Founders. Katabook was founded by 5 members named Ashiv Sonen, Dashiv Kumar, Vaibhav Kapil, Jaidev Pune and Ravish Naresh, CEO of Katabook in 2018. Features of Katabook. The Katabook app allows you to send free SMS to your customers to inform them about outstanding payments. You have the option to send WhatsApp messages to your customers to remind them about pending payments. To reduce the hassle, Katabook conventionally manages the transaction from multiple payments apps and itself. Katabook app can also maintain multiple tasks in one go and send invoice of each transaction to you and your customers. All digital transaction accounts and notes are locked and securely protected within the app itself. Your data is protected and only used to improve the Katabook services. It manages our business and personal ledgers on our phone and computer. It reminds us of our due dates via messages and WhatsApp, which can be benefit or blessings of digitalized of our Katabook.